But all the company told me, yes, it's beautiful, sound is amazing, but it's too expensive. Okay. And then I started my home brand.
Yes.
I talked with Fabrizio, and I told him we can start with Roberto Tognon, audio solution by Roberto Tognon.
So that's why we start
and,
with
everything starts from this.
Yes. So everything that you design from ground up have your name in it.
Yes.
Okay.
Everything it's built by myself.
Okay.
By hand. It's only the aluminum supplier.
Yes, of course.
Supplier is external, always made in Italy, but from the start to the end of the process is all handmade from us.
So you do the component insertion, the soldering, checking,
measuring, testing, packaging.
Okay, that's unique. I mean, but. Selamat datang di YouTube channel Audio Plus Indonesia. Hari ini kita bersama Roberto Tognon, prinsipal merek Audio Solution, salah satu merek yang didistribusikan oleh Audio Plus Indonesia. Nah, hari ini kita akan chat bersama untuk lebih mengenal produknya, produk Audio Solution, bagaimana dia mendesain dari awal dan bagaimana dia mengenal elektronik. Okay, hi Roberto, nice to meet you here. So, let's start from the beginning. How did you get involved in the world of car audio electronics in the beginning?
Oh, my father was an electrician.
Oh, okay.
Technical electrician specialized in audio.
Okay.
So I grow.
So it's
between audio device.
Okay.
From the start, and this imprinting give me an imprinting for this section because. This became also my passion when I was child.
Okay.
Seeing my father that build amplifier, build loudspeaker. Then when I go to studying, of course, it was natural for me go to studying electronics.
Oh, you go electronic school.
I go electronic school, and when I was 18 years old, I start my own company.
Oh. You start very early.
Early, yes. And I opened my laboratory, starting with the service center for audio device for the prestigious March brands like Alpine, Clarion, Fujitsu 10, a lot of.
In the old days,
the old era. And the first that changed for car audio was the Rockford Fosgate.
Rockford Fosgate, yes. The time.
This gave me the opportunity to show hundred of solutions that the designers at the time they for build this kind of electronics.
Yes, for that time it's amazing.
Yes, it was absolutely new.
Yeah, new.
Yeah. And this is. Very crazy for me. It's unbelievable. And then I start to working with the other company. I had at the time I had 23 company brands for service. So I managed. Almost everything was in the market at the time.
So from there you learn also which part always make failure and which part.
Schematic diagram.
I
can see inside.
It's like you have all the observation of all the brands.
and not also my passion bring to me to check, measure and listen to this device.
Many brands.
Many brands. And I can also listen the difference that the circuitry and the design make in the sound.
Yeah, the layout
This
and the
gives
design.
me a great skill about
Electronics.
audio electronics.
Okay,
Very
good.
great skill.
And what point did you become interested specifically in car audio, and how get you involved in the car audio industry in the first time after that servicing time? I mean,
Yes, making service. A lot of customers come to me and asking for modification, for improvement of this device.
Okay.
And I started a new company, and I've been an installer also.
Okay.
So I compete with in the car audio panorama. It was around 1994, and start to win.
So you do the installation?
I do installation and calibration.
Calibration. Okay.
Make everything from the start to finish, and for me and for other customer.
Oh, that's good. And
But I always had my service business, so I combine.
so you run both the
Yes,
service
both.
and the installation.
Yes, both.
Okay, that's good.
Always in small, not big, of course.
Yeah.
But this gives me a lot of opportunity to work with also other brands.
Yeah, I heard you
I can-
consultant for many
Yes,
brands also.
yes,
How is that?
yes. This time
Many
because
big brands.
winning a lot of competition, the company become interested to me,
Okay.
and they ask to me for
Consultation,
suggestion
suggestion.
about the circuitry of the device that they don't build but import from other country, but they don't have the knowledge for
Installation.
not
and
for
what
installation, but what
they
they really
could
buy,
add.
because it's different.
Yes,
This
everything is
could
different.
be shining, could be wow, look
Yeah,
amazing,
yeah.
but sound like.
Yes. Okay.
But if you don't know what there is inside really and how it sounds,
It will be difficult. Yeah.
difficult.
Difficult to sell. Yeah. So, do you remember the first car amplifier project that you designed from the ground up? I mean, from zero. What was the experience like? I mean, after you finish it and.
The first amplifier was in my head many years before it started.
Okay. So
design
takes a
start.
long process.
Long process, yes, long process. By the way, I have the opportunity to have a partnership with a company, German
okay.
company.
Oh, German
I don't,
company. Okay. Yeah.
I don't
It's disclosure. Okay.
And start to build my own amplifier, my own design.
Okay.
The brand is not my name, of course.
Yeah,
it's,
yeah.
from the other company, and the amp
Successful.
successful in the
Okay.
market. So
When was that? What year?
yeah, around 2013.
Oh, 2013.
2013, yes.
Okay.
And then I start other cooperation with other brands, and then I start to cooperate with Audio Solution.
Oh, okay.
With Fabrizio, this is my partner,
Fabrizio. Okay.
and we build together this amplifier
Okay.
for other company,
Oh.
like third part
Yeah.
of the business.
Oh, okay.
We are the manufacturer, they are the brand that
Sell
the
as
amplifier.
OEM. Okay.
OEM, yes, correct. So after a few years that this business grow because
Yes.
the number of the brands increase, not so much, but
It
good
increases.
business.
Yes.
I create a new project that was really no limits project. It's the Quattro amplifier.
So what you have in mind, you put in there.
For the best.
The best of the best.
Really, I proposed this amplifier to other companies because at the first time I was only build the amplifier, not. I don't want to be involved in the marketing of this amplifier.
Okay.
But all the company told me, yes, it's beautiful, sound is amazing, but it's too expensive. Okay. And then I started my home brand.
Yes.
I talked with Fabrizio and I told him we can start with Roberto Tognon, audio solution by Roberto Tognon.
So that's why we start with
everything starts from this. Yes.
So everything that you design from ground up have your name inside.
Yes.
Okay.
And from this moment, all the electronics that I have designed in partnership with my partner started with the audio solution by Roberto Tognon.
Okay. So what is different from your design compared to others? In a short way, can you explain why you make it so different and suddenly it's people just accept it like that and they love the sound, but there should be something that makes it different. What's in a few words maybe?
I think it's depend on the skills that I had in the past years being an installer.
Okay.
Because I have to, when I was installer, I have to solve the real problem that acoustic car.
Yes.
And I know where is the problem.
Okay.
So I can check my electronics in this point of view.
Okay.
That is different from the other designer. They don't know really how this device will be
in the car.
Used
in
the car.
Yes.
And this gives me an opportunity to...
Let's say some small problem is the voltage differences and all the electricals in the car and the reflections. Exactly. Yeah, okay. So that makes you strong
also
because...
Also in a relationship between the sensitivity of the speaker.
Correct.
And
how they put it in the door, free air.
Yes, the control, the control that the amplifier must have on the speaker. And how this... for high range, the speaker, the amplifier must be interconnect with this range.
Yes.
Because in this range you need the respect for the details, for the harmonics.
Yes,
of the
harmonics.
Music.
Yes.
And to do that, you have to have clear in your mind what need to obtain this.
Okay, and I heard...
I think I have.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, so the strong point is because you are a technician, so you know every product, you have the schematic and you know which schematic sounds like what.
Yes.
And then you are installer, you know the problem in the car with the mid bass in the door, free air, need good control, and then you start the amp. So I heard you built everything by yourself, so I mean it's handmade and you do.
Basically,
it's a lot of things, I mean.
Yes. Everything, it's built by myself.
Okay.
By hand. It's only the aluminum supplier.
Yes, of course.
It's external, always made in Italy. But from the start to the end of the process is all handmade from us.
So you do the component insertion, the soldering, checking, measuring,
testing, packaging.
Okay, that's unique. I mean, but that makes you different. I mean, it's not so much a product from Italy or from Europe. That comes with the handmade and
we are a small company, and it's
and that's what
different from the mass production. It's because if you want to build quality, you can't do big number.
Yeah.
You have to check everything in the process of the production.
Yes. The quality of the soldering.
Quality.
The reverse of the components, everything. Yeah, all the details. Yeah.
You need, for good food, you need to go to a restaurant. You can't do
yeah.
fast food.
Yeah. So finally, what's your vision for the future of car audio, and what's your next product in the pipeline? Let's say this is something like.
Yes, this is the two complete line of amplifier in two different level for the market, and plus it is the masterpiece, the Quattro.
Yeah.
And now we study for always thinking about my experience being an installer, a new line of speaker.
Okay.
That will be ready soon.
Yeah. And this DC-DC.
And this DC-DC converter that complete the line, the two line of amplifier that has unregulated power supply. So these two DC-DC converter complete the line of my amplifier in the two line of duo quartetto.
Yes.
Stabile and 200 414.
Okay.
And for the future, I think because I think about the increasing number of electric vehicles.
Yes.
That will be for sure in the future. So we start already in my mind, to design the Class D amplifier.
Good.
Multi-channel for sure. That always must have for sure great sound quality.
Yeah.
Not only low consumption, but for sure must be a great sound quality.
Yes.
And in the next future, I'm developing a subwoofer control servo control system.
Amazing.
In the line of duo quartetto.
Okay.
There will be this combo.
Yes.
Subwoofer, the speaker, and the amplifier, and that is designed together.
Matching.
Yeah. For this special part of frequency that need really
good control
and again attention from the amplifier.
Okay. Thank you, Roberto, for the time.
Thank you for you.
I will see you again.